Ever felt like your dreams are just slipping away, no matter how hard you try? What if the key to unlocking them wasn't in endless hustle, but in harnessing the power of your own mind? Today, we're revealing a powerful 3-minute visualization technique that can make your goals a reality. Visualization is a powerful tool you already have but might not be fully utilizing. Think of it as directing a detailed movie in your mind, where you're the star, and every scene is filled with your deepest desires and emotions. Imagine achieving your goals, the excitement of a new job, the joy of a health breakthrough, or the thrill of financial success. Visualization helps your brain believe these outcomes are possible, aligning your actions and attracting the right circumstances. Here's how to start. Create your dream blueprint by being specific about what you want. Next, practice with clarity and consistency. Make visualization a daily habit, like brushing your teeth. Let's do a quick exercise together. Close your eyes and picture yourself living your dream life. Feel every detail, the sights, sounds, and emotions. The clearer and more vivid your imagination, the stronger the impact on your reality. Pair your visualization with actionable steps and watch how opportunities begin aligning with your dreams. Start today and see how your dreams start to take shape. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more powerful manifestation tips. Start using this powerful tool today and see how your dreams begin to take shape. See you in the next video and keep manifesting your best life.